Warning, this video is fake, and all of everything in this video is fiction. This was made for entertainment purposes only.
This message was transmitted by the Joplin Police Department. We noticed something strange in the sky, and it looks like it's going down. The military is trying to find out what it could be.
Breaking news, the military knows the thing falling from the sky. It is a hydrogen nuke. According to reports, it says it was fired by someone on accident. The military is trying to stop this nuke.
This message was transmitted by the Joplin government. The military has failed to stop the hydrogen nuke, and now it's gonna kill all of us. Seek nuclear shelter and stay away from the nuke. This message was transmitted by the Joplin government. The nuclear bomb has stopped and the shock waves and radiation is gone now. It is safe to come out of your shelters now. Although Joplin is completely destroyed, there was many casualties, and almost everything was destroyed. There is hope to recover.